Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crop images to face in Power Automate and Logic apps. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to the Power Automate dashboard where you can create and manage your automated workflows. After logging in, look at the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several options listed there. Go ahead and click on Create. This section is where you'll build new flows and automation processes from scratch. Next, you'll see different flow templates appear on your screen. For this tutorial, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger automation manually whenever you need it, which is perfect for on-demand image processing tasks. Now you need to set up how this flow will start. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set it as your trigger option. This means you'll be able to run this automation whenever you choose, rather than having it run on a schedule or automatically. After selecting this trigger, click Create to proceed with building your flow. Once your flow canvas opens, click the plus icon to add your first action. In the search field that appears, type Get File Content. For this example, we'll be using SharePoint as our file source, so locate and click Get File Content under the SharePoint connector. This action will allow your flow to access the image file you want to process. In the configuration panel that opens, you'll need to input a site address. This is the URL of your SharePoint site where your image is stored. After entering the site address, move to the file identifier field. Click the folder icon next to this field and navigate through your SharePoint folders to locate the specific image file you want to crop. Select it to continue. Now click the plus icon again to add another action. This time, search for CloudMersive in the search box. CloudMersive is a service that provides various file processing capabilities, including image manipulation. When you see CloudMersive file processing appear in the results, click See More to view all available actions. From the expanded list of CloudMersive actions, find and click Crop Image to Face with Round Crop. This specific action uses facial recognition technology to automatically detect faces in your image and crop around them with a rounded edge, creating professional-looking profile pictures or thumbnails. In the first field of this action, click the thunder icon to access dynamic content. From the list that appears, click File Content. This connects the image you retrieved from SharePoint to the cropping action. In the second field, you can type a name for your processed file. Something like *test_crop works well for testing purposes. Click the plus icon once more and search for Create File in the Action search box. Click on this action when it appears. This step will save your newly cropped image back to SharePoint or another location you specify. In the Create File configuration, input your site address and folder path where you want the cropped image to be saved. Then, in the file name field, enter something like output.jpg to give your processed image a clear, recognizable name. Finally, click the thunder icon in the file content field and select body from the dynamic content list. This ensures the cropped image data from CloudMersive gets saved as your new file. And that's it. Your automation is now ready to save and run. You've successfully set up a flow that automatically crops images to face using Power Automate and CloudMersive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.